Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to do a cast iron quickie, and I decided I'm going to sit there and show you how to make German pizza. So, grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm going to bring you along for a quick cast iron German pizza that we're going to be having for supper. And, well, I'm going to show you how I do it all in the cast iron skillet. I have the 1 pound of ground beef. Let's go ahead, add that to the pan. I have the equivalency of what would be 1 green pepper, but it would be, what I have in here is half of a green and half of a red dehydrated sweet peppers. Go ahead, add that. I have 1 chopped up onion. I'm using the red onion. And now I'm going to grab the salt and pepper. Let's go ahead, add the pepper. Let's add the salt. Break up all the ground beef. Now as we're cooking this, the peppers are going to rehydrate by all the steam that's being created in the pan. The onions are going to become translucent, and we're just going to sit there and cook the meat until it's no longer pink. Okay. The ground beef is all not pink anymore. The onions are translucent. Let's go ahead, remove them from the pan. I'm going to turn down the heat while we're removing the ground beef and the onion from the pan. Now we're going to set the ground beef and the onions off to the side. I'm going to grab 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to throw it inside my hot cast iron pan. I'm going to turn my fire back up. I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to sit there and spread that hunk of butter all around. Now, you're going to need 6 potatoes and you're going to want them to be shredded. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab 6 potatoes, I'm going to take it over to my food processor and I'm going to shred them up. Okay, I have my shredded up potatoes here, and now let's go ahead and add them all down inside. Now, you're going to want to sit there and evenly spread these out all across the bottom. Now, we're going to grab that beef mixture that we had. We're going to spread that all over the top of the potatoes. Okay, now down in this bowl I have 2 eggs and 1/3 cup of milk. Now you're going to want to sit there and lightly whisk it all up. Now we're going to sit there and pour that evenly all throughout this whole German pizza. Now leave this on your stove top over medium heat, and also let's put the cover on. So here I have the cover on. It's over a medium heat. Cook it for 30 minutes. Let's remove the cover. Now, I cubed up some provolone cheese. Now I'm just going to sit there and sprinkle some of that over the top of the German pizza here. And as soon as that all melts, we'll be able to slice this baby up and commence eating. So I'll be back after the cheese is all melted. So after you're done putting the cheese on, you want to put the cover back on. And that's how easy it is, folks, to really make this German pizza. So now I'm going to cut it up, I'm going to plate it up, and then I'm going to serve it up to my family. And there's my cast iron cooking quickie. Now that's what I call home cooking. You can't get any better than this German style pizza. Be sure to sit there and make your family some today. And be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now. You hear?